Hi, I'm Polash. Today I'm going to discuss you about a app Commerce Mojo app. This is a extraordinary app you can use for your e-commerce business. That is means digitally platform if you have to generate a lot of income, then you need to take this app. Why you will buy this app? Today I will discuss you in this video. Let's start. Friends, Commerce Mojo is an awesome digital platform. If you want to start an e-commerce business, then this app is going to help you in a great way, because one thing we need to keep in mind is that in order to start an online business, the ads and products view needs to be very nice. Otherwise, your customer from your website, it turns out. This is very important. You need to understand. Commerce Mojo has come up with a great platform to solve this problem for you. It would not be wrong to say one thing. Commerce Mojo is the main task of e-commerce business, from showing your business products to advertisements the products in the market. This can be called a revolutionary change in the field of online business, friends. How does Commerce Mojo works? It is very important to understand. You have got all the information about how to use this app to start a business. My YouTube channel Motivation is Money. You can get part 1, part 2, part 3. Already have discussed what are the important features of Commerce Mojo apps. Now, how to use these features and how much each features and importance we will discuss in this video. I will show you the first page of this app and you will understand how to use it. It is very easy to use. You can say as simple as that. A child also can use this app. You can see how important these tools are for online business by looking at the features that have been given in Commerce Mojo. Once you read them carefully, you will understand how important they are. As I will tell you, video creator, design creator, background removal, unlimited image enhancer, unlimited image compression, 30 plus video templates, friends, 50 plus image templates, fully customizable video settings. You can see 50 plus background music, automatic color, drop shadows and reflection, automatic raise and popular sizes, add stickers effects, 100 plus predefined backgrounds, 100 plus model cards outs, Pixabay integration, 1 million plus images, friends, 100 of vector icons, shapes, commercial rights, high resolutions, output, unlimited projects and exports. In many cases, friends, you can give an impeccable look to any ordinary picture that does not look very good through these apps. Any simple image can give a great look to this app. Also, if a simple image changes its background, that becomes extraordinary with these apps. You can make your online platform beautiful by doing all these things today. One things today I will tell you friends, Commerce Mojo background removal. Automatically remove backgrounds from any image quickly and easily with a single click. There is no need to manually select the background of foreground layers to separate them. Just upload your image and then download the results of the removal background in minutes. Image compression. Easily and automatically compress unlimited images. Image compression. Easily and automatically compress unlimited images by up to 90% without losing a single quality, and see your conversions rise with faster loading pages and easy to transfer images. Commerce Mojo technology selectively decreases the number of color while making sure no visible changes occur to the image, which results in a great reduction of image size without any quality loss. Today, friends, I have already told you that if you use this app, definitely your business will get the next level and you will feel the benefit of this app. Today, definitely I will give you a recommendation. Yes, you should take this app because if you use this app, definitely your business will go to next level and definitely your next generation and your life will be different. Simple image